remember how to do everything and we'll be fine.
You feel like you got heat stroke or something?
I'd rather it look cool than worry about me dying.
Just a couple of guys gonna go play a show.
Yeah, we look like we're super serious and ready to go play a rock show.
Yeah.
And then let's just see how many we can get in a row. So
What's up, gentlemen?
7 of those. And I'm gonna go grab the rest.
Don't be too jealous. Wait, you brought yours?
Yeah, I mean,
nice, good. You're going. Oh, you're going back.
I'm gonna. Yeah, I gotta go back to the hotel.
Just to get the balls.
Also,
Okay, yeah. Can this? I mean, I know you're trying to do other things that might be important, but can this be like the ball holding room mainly? Okay.
I'm the ball holder.
Perfect. Sour Patch Kids with that some crap.
Are you the man? Somebody from the crew?
Oh, there's another one in there.
Making like tennis noises.
All right, boys, I'm gonna go watch this band.
Alright, later. That's so funny.
We played this 2 years ago, yeah?
Was it 2 years ago?
It feels like last year, but I think it was 2 years
you're
ago.
right.
No, is that a different?
2023 is 2 years ago.
It feels like last year, guys.
Festivals last year.
So
You're right.
confused.
We were on the co-head on
There's a team of editors. You hear that? You hear that? I said you're cool, so you gotta like me and say cool shit about me.
Making like tennis noises.
I think we're locked in for
Both of us. Next Thursday,
yeah.
Hell yeah. We were playing the song in our compound yesterday.
Hell yeah.
Awesome, dude. You guys should play it tonight.
We have not rehearsed it
We've
yet.
never even tried rehearsing it yet.
That last beat,
I can do it.
you can do it. You're supposed to, oh no, I gotta warm
No,
up.
I'm already ready for it.
Yeah, that's right. Love you guys. Love you too, brother.
Yeah, I love you, bro.
People have been asking me all weekend, who's my favorite band, and I've been saying I've been there.
Oh, dude. It's really hot, guys. I don't know how anyone does this. Are you okay?
I don't know if I'm good. That was really hot. I kept pouring water on my head.
You feel like you got heat stroke or something?
I don't know.
He just walked back to the hotel.
Yes.
What's up, people? Whatever, man.
Whatever.
How you doing? Doing well, man. How are you?
My phone is overheating.
Yeah, my camera keeps overheating.
That's where we're at right now.
Not great. Woo. Oh my gosh, they keep having more meat. Now, wow, this is all red.
So,
This is my kind of chart.
right, so we got
A tornado.
flame is flame. The tornado is the cryo.
Oh, okay.
That is the pyro without noise.
Okay.
The big, that is big noise.
Yes, I see.
And
I
there's
see.
front and back on show, but that's what we.
Yep.
If this works for you guys,
I love it.
kinda-
Let's make it as sick as possible, and as long as I don't die, then we're fine. Oh, look who it is. I like your hat.
Thank you.
Is that new? Did you just get it?
Literally bought it like
Sick.
before I picked you guys up.
Yeah, that's sick.
And my scalp was melting. I was like, I need a hat.
Yeah. I'm feeling some burning on top there. Dude.
Last night last night was a movie, okay?
Yeah.
We went to Game Time. Yeah, the Game Time. You might know it from
game time, Grandmaster John
See.
decided to show us the way, show us that you can win infinite, gigantic balls out of this crane machine. So then we just decided to use the rest of our tickets, and we got like, I don't know, eight or nine of them. And the best part of it was I walked by and there's these 2 other patrons who were like desperate for wins. And they see me with my prize. And they're like, whoa, how did you get that? I'm like, wait. And then everybody else comes by with 2 more. 2 more. Those odds don't even make sense.
Those odds don't even make sense.
Room with Gabe.
I hear you.
30 minutes.
Yeah, right.
Whatever, dude.
Whatever.
Hey man, you're the one that's gonna play the show. I'm just getting you there.
Don't worry, I'm so fire, so sorry. And I'm really good at manipulating moves. So I'll make sure that ready. Crazy in my hands. I literally made that out of 3 days. You just get that today. Yeah.
Dude, it was just a big old bagel bone.
Gracias. All right, here I am. Yeah.
Sorry, I scared you. I'm sorry, scared
Don't be
you.
sorry, man. Keep scaring me.
No, I knew
You gotta
after
keep me
the
on my
first one-
toes.
I knew the first one. I go, come on, I'm watching you, because I'm like, yeah, and then you just put your head down. So what I did is, in case wind picks up again, I moved the one that was in front of your drums to the ground. Right?
Dude, you're totally fine, man.
You want it back up there?
Whatever you want. I'm good. I'm good with whatever. If you think it looks sicker up there.
Of course it does.
Well, let's do that then.
Okay, I'm moving it back up.
Hey, I'd rather it look cool than worry about me dying, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So. All right, just remember how to do everything and we'll be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Yeah, I don't know what time it is. 5 minutes. Really? You were that quick? I think so. Holy crap.
Hey, I got hyperveil here.
Yeah! Get in this. Little pre-show. Ready?
Let's go.
Ready? Ancestors protect me.
May they protect you.
Hi! Yeah!
Hey, you guys stand up. Yeah. So
Debo.
Adam Man shows a new freaking coming for this band. One of my favorites.
1101. Son of a bitch. Wow, that was a good one.
Crowd surfing. I just want to see some crazy.
Let's do this. You heard the man. Hey, Rockville, who's ready for hyperveil?
Everybody sucks and I cannot relate. And everything is fucked and I cannot be saved. Sing it! Why? Took everything and threw it in the flames. Watch your Banana Man! There's a bunch of bananas out there. Look at that. No pun intended. Now, you guys over there, and Jesus and the banana and Waldo, I need you guys. What a fucking sentence. I need you guys to start a circle pit. That means fucking run. Run! Run! This is gasoline, motherfucker. Let's go!
Okay?
I don't know if I'm good. I was really hot. I kept pouring water in my head.
You feel like you got heat stroke or something?
I don't know.
Can you get him to
I just need water and ice.
Yeah. They have ice water over here. They have ice water off stage over here. Very hot. Very, very hot. John, there's ice water down here.
John, just sit down. I got you.
I mean, like, this whole thing is filled with ice. If he wants to, like, dunk your head in or something.
Yeah. Well, don't put your ears in there.
True.
Don't put your ears
Oh, God.
It was so hot.
Yeah, we always almost kill John. We're getting way too close to killing him, man.
Dude, I just went way too hard. I was like so pumped for that show, and it was way too hot.
It was very hot. Yeah. Well, you crushed it, dude.
Thanks, dude. It felt awesome.
Yeah.
Despite like that, it was awesome. I think like, yeah, if it weren't for like the combination of the heat and the pyro, it wouldn't have been that bad, but that was hot.
Yeah.
I also just was way too ballsy. I was like walking down close up. I was doing stupid stuff.
Yeah,
I mean, you looked sick though. Awesome. You looked really cool, dude. We have to take a shower together now that we're in the same hotel room?
I'm only going back early if we're going to game time. Don't even ask.
I'll go to game time, dude. Frick, guys, we going to game time?
That looks pretty good to me.
Dude, it's way harder with how high it is. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Let's go.
Heck yeah.